My mom told me to forget those fancy and expensive under eye creams and use this simple, quick and easy homemade Dove to remove stubborn dark circles, relax and soothe tired eyes and fade those unpleasant fine lines around the eyes. So here I'm going to unveil her secret eye recipe that she has shared with me. So you need a small cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of raw milk, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of rose water. Combine all the ingredients together and properly knead the Dove. The Dove should be smooth, pleasant to touch and not rough or stiff. If the Dove is dry, then you can add more milk to make it soft and smooth. Divide the Dove into 2 smaller pieces and make small balls out of the Dove. Slightly press the 2 Dove balls to form an oval shape. Now carve an eye shape using a butter knife. So after you're done, just pop out the eye shape Dove and keep aside. Place the Dove into a parchment paper or aluminium foil. Cover it and place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Place the chilled Dove all around your eyes and gently press it so that it can stick to your skin. Let it rest for 10 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, you can do your household work or you can just sit and relax. After keeping it on for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the Dove. You don't have to wash your eyes. I've noticed this gives instant and super effective results, and from the very first application you'll see a tremendous difference. I can't tell you, it makes your tired eye muscles feel so relaxed and energetic. Your eye appears brighter and your under eye dark circles a little lighter compared to before, and you can completely remove those stubborn dark circles if you use it regularly twice for up to 3 days. The best thing is that you can use this Dove several times by rolling into balls and then directly placing it over your closed eyes. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye-bye.